Okay. Ganun siya kabuhay na buhay. Careful. Maiipit ka. Ah! Kailangan ko lang buhusan ng mainit na tubig kasi lumalaban pa siya. Oh, see? Galing ko lang. Dito muna siya. Itali pa siya. Sabi nga nila, choose your battles in life. So, buhusan na muna natin ito ng mainit na tubig. Huwag na tayo sumugod muna, di ba? Hello! At welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Nakikipaglaban pa po ako dito bago sa start ng ating episode. Ulit, no makeup, gusin ang itsura dahil galing sa workout from Mega Dike at nakabili tayo ng alimasag. Thank you, kuya, sa discount. Muntik niya nabigay sa akin yung balde. Pero dinagdagan na lang yan ng 2 pieces. Right now, ayoko muna makipaglaban sa kanila. Baka ma-injure tayo, mahirap na. So, nag-iinit tayo ng tubig, bubuhusin natin ng mainit tubig para medyo matulog naman sila ng konti. Kasi gising na gising sila. Pero mo, the more water, the more life. O, di ba? O, lumalaban pa siya, baka makatakas. Actually, it reminded me a story sa cousin ko. Nakatira sila elsewhere. Marami silang alimango naman, yung kanila. Buhay pa. Binili nila dun sa seaside. So, the next day, since buhay pa, linagay nila sa styrofoam, buhay. The next day, when they were about to cook, would you believe nakatakas all 14 pieces? It's a true story. Kaya, choose your battles well. Hot water, here we come. Anahin na natin siya. Yan. Ayan na muna si hot water. Matulog muna kayo dyan. Yan. Para maluto na sila kahit papano. Ayan. Shucks, nakalimutan ko. Shout out pala to Sir Rayjan, Prof. Rayjan of UDM. Kasi sabi niya, i-shout out ko siya. Of course, to my favorite partner every time it's accreditation. Our favorite librarian accreditor, si Ma'am Venus Max. Shout out kasi nagagalit sila sa akin sa chat group namin. Ayan! Lumalaban pa. So now that it's still hot, I'm not even going to put water because we don't want the temperature to lower, no? So let them stay there na hot muna sila. Okay. Habang naghihingalo sila dyan, handain ko na yung gulay natin. So I'm just gonna cut some vegetables. This one naman, since, di ba, ipapartner natin siya mamaya sa swahe na nabili natin fresh. This one naman, yung alimasag, I'm just gonna put like some oyster sauce para masarap na makanin. It's someone's birthday kasi rin sa office, kaya nagluluto ako. Tsaka sayang naman, sa Mega Dike na, mura naman. This is just for the sauce, no? So, tatanggalin ko lang itong white para walang bitterness. Actually, I can hear them naghihingalo and really fighting for their lives. So here, I'm just preparing the recados, no, para sa sauce. So basically, yung sauce gagawin ko will be garlic, ginger, tapos I wanted to add a little bit of bell peppers, tapos oyster sauce based siya para lang mas malinamnam. You may use red bell peppers if you wish. Kaso mas mura ang green I use green. And then some of the green bell peppers, if you see, it's a little bit soft na. So ayoko naman mapanisan ako. So that's why I wanted to use this right away, no? Kasi we were supposed to have a New Year get-together and then hindi natuloy. So I still have this. So I might as well use it up. Sayang naman. And then I still have this green or chives, no? So gagamitin natin. Let me just wash this. Actually, maganda yung sa Mega Dike. For those who are not from Malabon, we have a place here called Mega Dike kung saan naglalakad. It's about 13 or 15 kilometers long, the whole stretch. And it's, you know, surrounding it is a body of water. So, may mga nanguhuli doon. Most of na nahuhuli nila is yung mga swahe na maliit. Minsan may trusilyo ako nakita. Ano ba bang nabili ko doon? Bangus, no? And hindi siya yung malalaki kasi it's not farmed, no? Nahuli nila. So, sometimes you get talaga yung fresh na huli. So, I like going there. That's what I enjoy doing. When I go there, parang di ko na-notice na naka 14,000 steps na ako. Kasi nga, I look around, binibenta. But most of the ones I see talaga is yung swahe na maliit, tapos alimasag, no? So, yun yung mostly. Tapos meron at silang parang kohol ata yun but some sort of a shell. Hindi siya sikad-sikad kasi darker yung shell niya. So, I'm not sure what it's called. But yun yung parang kailangan ng safety pin para kumain. Tapos niluto sa gata. Maraming ginger. So, I see a lot of that. So, masaya to go there. So, that's why I went there today. But normally, if you go on a weekday, mas maraming benta. Di ba pag pumupunta tayo sa consignation, it's per kilo. If you go to the palengke, it's per kilo. Ito para siyang nakalagay sa plate. Sasabihin nila, ganun yung presyo. Is it 450, 500? So, ikaw na mag-e-estimate yung kiluhan. Wala talaga silang kiluhan. So, that's how they sell it. Parang nakamaliit na banyera. Sa tawag doon per plate. Narinig ko yung crabs, medyo gising pa siya. So, mainit yung tubig. Ubuhusan ko siya ulit. I need to make sure they're sleeping because, syempre, ayokong ma-injure. And, may mga tali-tali pa siya eh. So, syempre, hindi ka naman maluluto yung tali, di ba? So, we need to put them to sleep. This is alimasag. Ngayon, kunyari, method na gagawin ko today, kunyari, meron kayong alimango, by all means, you may use this recipe also. I just did not want an ordinary na iboboil, tapos isa-serve with suka. Parang, syempre, I wanted to do something a little bit different. Ayun, ito. Okay. Lumalaban pa eh, oh. Some people, actually, masarap yung recipe na to for alimango kasi mas malaki yung claws, di ba? So, in fact, marami siyang laman-laman. Not a lot of people are fond of alimasag or crabs kasi ang dami niyang chambers. Ang dami mo kailangan himayin. Like yung shrimps, isang ganun lang, tapos na. You know, for me, I like it. Yun ang kikit-kit ka talaga. So, we're just gonna put some olive oil. Okay. And then, I'm gonna put some oyster sauce. And some sweet chili sauce. Okay? Careful lang kayo sa brands na pinipili ng oyster sauce because yung saltiness level niya, yun yung kailangan nyo lang tikman muna. I'm not gonna mention any brands but I like working with Lee Kum-Kee only because gamay na gamay ko yung pagka-saltiness niya. So, careful lang kayo doon sa binibili nyong brand. There. And then, we're gonna put some ginger. Dami ko maglagay, no? Kasi masarsa. Kasi, masarap namnamin yung sarsa. And then, I'm going to add the bell peppers. Yan. There. So, we're just gonna saute this. And then, this one, the sweet chili sauce, needless to say, is a little bit chili. So, I will add more chili garlic and add a little bit of it. Okay, there. Like a teaspoon para may konting anghang. Yummy! Hindi ko na siguro siya lalagyan ng pepper kasi nga, dami siyang kaanghangan. So, we're waiting to make sure this is cooked. I'm gonna add this. Naghihingalo pa siya. Fighting. Okay. Siguro yung mga nagtatanong, what if hindi nyo naman siya kakainin ngayon and nabili nyo today? What you can do actually is, you can just boil nyo yung alimasag, tapos i-freezer nyo para it can last. Sometimes, kapag may nagre-regalo sa amin ng alimango, I do that kasi ako lang talaga yung kumakain sa house. Eh, wala naman akong visitors or anything. So, what I do is, I actually boil it, put it in the freezer, and then cook it as I wish with some sauces that I like. Ang bango. Actually, you know what? The bell pepper, para meron siyang extra layer of sweetness na hindi yung icky sweet. Kasi it's not sugary sweet. When you put sugar, the sweet is like straight to your veins na unang tikim mo palang ang tamis, no? Bell peppers kasi will take a while for you to figure out savory. Oh, it's sweet pala. Parang ganon, no? Acting good. Okay. So, dito siya. So, obviously, if it begins to start changing color, that is the time that it is cooked, right? So, there. I'm so excited for whoever's gonna have lunch here to try this. Yes, I didn't change. This is what I used naman in shrimps. Kasi sayang naman magugat, halos pareho naman yung taste profile. So, ito na lang ginamit ko. So, we're just waiting for it to be cooked. Parang hindi ko matiis. I'm gonna add a little bit of white pepper. So now, I'm just gonna add a bit of water kasi may ibang parang onions and garlic na nag-stick siya sa pan. So I sort of wanna deglaze it just to make sure na nothing sticks to the pan. There. There. And then this is where I'm going to add oyster sauce. So it's about 5 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of this. So, medyo konti lang yung alimasag. Since not everybody really eats, medyo thick ang ating sauce. I wanna add more. want to add more oyster sauce because I taste more of the sweet chili sauce. And it really has a kick, ah. Like what I said, we're shooting this like 9 in the morning. Tapos pag mayroong konting spicy, talagang umano sa ulo. May konting kick talaga pag medyo maanghang, no? Yung kinakain sa umaga. So I'm just gonna increase the fire to make sure, like what I said, kaya not a lot of people like eating crabs kasi ang dami niyang chamber sa loob. So I wanna make sure luto na siya sa loob. Tapos siguro sa mga, like what I said, yung mga hindi mahilig nga kumain ng crabs, para mas madalian sila, what you can do is actually, kunyari, sugpo, gusto nila more than swahe, i-butterfly na nila yung sugpo. And then saute, exactly the same procedure as I did. So here you go, this is like done. At para makatipid, dito ko na rin siya. Dito na siya ililipat. We'll just add a little bit of sesame seeds. So may pagka-Chinese. Just a little bit of things to add. Like, di ba I added kanina yung parang homemade chili garlic. Pero syempre, kunyari, for those na merong nagregalo ng XO sauce, it will actually be also another nice layer flavor. So kanina when I sauteed the onions, the garlic, the ginger, kung meron kayong XO sauce, just feel free to add that. And then the oyster sauce, the sweet chili sauce, no? And then the bell peppers. Again, for those na hindi mahilig sa crabs, o mahilig sa alimasag, feel free to do so. I-butterfly yung sugpo. Malamang mahirap i-butterfly ang swahe kasi napakaliit. I think mas maganda yung sugpo, no? It's easier to manage. You feel free to do that, no? Can you use this for fish? Maybe, but I would suggest those that are thicker cut kind of fish, no? Tanige, pwede. Pero like somehow, lapu-lapu, you may have to lighten the sauce a bit, no? So, sorry, sobrang daldal. But again, sana lang kasi i-repeat niyo in your own home and then make your own recipes, no? Para sa ganun, mas mag-expand yung mga linuluto natin para sa bahay, no? So, again, thank you kay Kuya at kay Ate for giving me 2 extra alimasag today. Pero next time, kukunin ko na rin yung balde. Hindi, alako lang. But I will see you soon dyan kasi from time to time, talaga kami nag-exercise. Here is our alimasag in oyster sweet chili sauce. So, itong aming tanghalian mamaya. So, again, thank you for visiting me here at Kusina ni Mrs. O. And see you soon for more recipes and more daldalan. Bye!
So, okay. After naman ng swahe, ito namang alimasag ba or alimango. Sorry, kumakain lang ako, guys. Naihimay na. So, ito na po. Tikman na natin. Kinuha ko po yung sauce. Sing din siya. Iba rin yung lasa ng meat dun sa sauce. Iba din with the hipon because yung texture niya, mas sumisip-sip. So, basta masarap siya. So, itry nyo na to, guys. Lalo na parating ang summer. Perfect sa mga gathering, sa outing. Hayaan nyo yung mga anak nyo swimming kayo, kumain lang kayo. Okay!
Guys, ito, binubuksan ko ni yung alimasag. Ang sarap niya. Tinikman ko na siya kanina, kaya mabubusog na ako nito. Pero ngayon, titikman ko ulit kasi naka-vlog ako. Charot. Yan! Ang sarap talaga ni Mrs. O magluto. Thank you po.